Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the recirculation air flap motor in one of these Mark V Volkswagens. So this is actually a pretty common problem on these cars, and when it goes bad you'll hear a really loud buzzing noise when you click the recirculation air button or when you put your car in reverse. So if this sounds familiar, this is probably the solution, and I'm going to show you how to change out that motor to make that problem go away. To access the recirculation motor, you first have to remove the glove box. There are 7 T20 Torx head fasteners that hold the glove box on. 3 are accessed with the glove box open, and 3 are just underneath the door. Once these are removed, carefully pop out the trim panel in front of the shifter to gain access to the last fastener. Once that's removed, pop out the trim panel at the edge of the dash, once again gently using a pry tool. Now you could carefully remove the glove box by sliding it to the outside of your car and disconnecting all the electrical connections and the air hose. Next, you have to remove the 10mm nuts that hold on this plastic panel. Once removed, you could slide it off the studs and get it out of the way. Then, remove the wire from the plastic retaining clip that holds the recirculation motor in place. Remove the plastic piece by unhooking the upper and lower clips and sliding it straight out. The recirculation motor can then be slid off the 3 pins that keep it in place and the motor unclipped from the wires. To demonstrate, here's the old motor that doesn't function properly, which, as you could hear, makes a lot of noise and doesn't spin. Here's the new motor rotating properly. It is important that the motor is installed in the position that matches up with the button on the dash so that the recirculation actually opens when you click the recirculation button. To install your new part, simply slide the motor onto the 3 pins and reassemble the remaining parts in the opposite order that you took them apart. So guys, that's it for this video. That's pretty much everything you need to know to change your recirculation air motor in one of these Volkswagens. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below, like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next one.